Go.
Hi, this is the Interactive Solar System team. Here we have our app deployed on itch.io. In our start scene, we have an About button where if you click on it, it'll give you a little page that shows you the ways to move around the game. So we have WASD as how to move forward, left, backwards, and right. The space bar will move you up, and the Z button will move you down. Then if you press the back button, it'll bring you back to the start page. And then it's best to view it from a full screen. So if you click on the lower right, you'll go to full screen. And if you click then the start button, it'll bring you to the beginning of the solar system simulation. And then if you click on the back button that's in the upper right-hand corner, it'll just bring you back to the start page, and then you can restart the simulation. And then Richard is going to explain some of the features we have in the simulation itself.
So here we come to our solar system. The user can move around in the solar system by using WASD and Z to go down and space to go up. The users are free to explore the whole solar system, and you can see that each planet is revolving around the sun on their own orbit, and the paths are shown by trail renderer supported by the Unity engine. And users can also click on the planet to see the basic info in a text box here. And we can also move closer to one planet. And we can see that each planet is also self-rotating with a constant rate. And later on, we'll also make this system real time. Yeah, and next up, we'll introduce our later issues.
So our upcoming features are focused on giving the user more freedoms in the simulation. For example, one of them is giving them the ability to change the masses of the planets and see how the orbiting will change. And then another is a button that will allow them to pause and resume the simulation. And then another one would be changing changing the time to real time or time lapse modes to view the simulation at different speeds. And then some of the minor improvements would be graphic improvements and detailed gravity and physics. And next up, we have Ethan explaining the bugs to fix.
Uh, we have a few bugs to handle. Part of the reason we recommend that you go full screen is because the mouse does behave a bit oddly right now, but we plan to fix that as soon as possible. Uh, Currently, the player, so the user, can actually collide with the planets and they'll send them wildly off course. So it's difficult to get a close up if you wanted to see the planet up close. That's a bit of a problem. That's just almost demonstrated there. Uh, and sometimes depending on the resolution, the GUI, the buttons might be a bit clipped or outsized, wrong size. Other than that, we hope you enjoy it. We think it'll fill a really important niche if you ever wanted to have a free simulation of the solar system.